press the bell icon to never miss an update from Tweet Library. So Apple has wrapped up its event and there are some amazing announcements related to the first highlight of iOS 15, improved FaceTime, the all-new macOS Monterey and much more. Excited what these announcements are? Well, let us tell you quickly without much ado. New iOS announced. Firstly, a new version of the iPhone operating system iOS 15 has been announced and it will come with the new iPhone in the fall, but the good news is that developers and early adopters can start using it earlier, typically during the summer. Now iOS 15 has come up with the FaceTime improvements including 3D audio, portrait mode to blur backgrounds, and a grid view to speak to multiple people at the same time. Better sharing and collaboration. Apple will also allow users to send links to schedule individual FaceTime calls like Zoom links. Users can also share their screens or music through a new software feature called ShareTime. FaceTime calls are also now supported on Windows and Android through a browser, the first time that FaceTime has been supported across platforms. A new feature called Shared With You allows you to save links that people sent you and puts them in one place so users can address them later. It works with Apple Music, Safari, Apple Podcasts, Apple TV, and Apple News. Users can also pin important messages featuring content. More control, fewer distractions. Users who have turned on Do Not Disturb or a new focus mode will have their status shared with other users, like an away message. Focus mode can hide any apps that you don't want to distract you. Copy text from photos. Apple's new Live Text digitizes text in your photos, which can let you copy and paste text from a photo, for example, or call a phone number that's in the photo. Apple says that it uses on-device intelligence for the feature and its machine learning will also be able to identify elements in photos, such as a location or whether there is a pet in the scene. Digital identification. Apple's wallet will soon let you store your ID in a digital form in participating US states, which you will then use as identification in US airports. Authentication and access. Apple is also expanding the Wallet app functionality to include corporate badges as well as keys to get into hotels and houses with smart homes. Better App Manager. With iPadOS 15, Apple will let you add widgets to the home screen and access to the app library, which debuted last year on iPhone with iOS 14. Apple is also introducing improvements to multitasking with new controls that make it easier to manage your apps. More power to the browser. Apple's Safari browser on the iPhone can now support the same extensions that the desktop version of Safari does. Siri is more private. Apple will let Siri process voice requests on device. That means audio won't be sent over the web, and Siri can accept many requests while offline. Healthcare-focused features. Apple is introducing a number of new health-focused features, such as the ability to share health data with your families and with healthcare providers. Never lose your AirPods. Apple is making some new changes to AirPods, such as making it easier to find them on the Find My network and the ability to announce your notifications. iCloud upgrades. Apple's iCloud is getting a new private relay service and the ability to create burner emails called Hide My Email. These will be part of a new iCloud Plus subscription, which will be offered at no additional price to current iCloud paid users. watchOS overhaul. Apple's upcoming watchOS 8 has new health features including a new mindfulness app, improvements to the Photos watch face, and more. Siri for all. Apple will let third-party accessory makers add Siri to their devices, Apple announced during WWDC. The company showed it on an Ecobee thermostat in its presentation. Brand new macOS. Apple's next big macOS release is called Monterey. One big new feature is the ability to use the same mouse and keyboard across your Mac and your iPad. Apple's Shortcuts app is also coming to the Mac. Monterey adds improvements to FaceTime, SharePlay, and Apple's new Focus statuses that are coming to Apple's other software platforms. Better mobile browsing. Apple is redesigning Safari with the new look for tabs and tab groups. And on iOS, the tab bar will be at the bottom of the screen to be in easier reach of your thumb. Web extensions are also coming to iOS and iPadOS. Better developer support. Apple announced that it will let developers use TestFlight to test their apps on the Mac. The company also announced Xcode Cloud, which lets you test your apps across all Apple devices in the cloud. So once again, Apple has given us advanced features which will make our phones smarter and our lives safer and easier. What's your opinion on new announcements? Share your views in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.